Gel definium textio para anara. Returns. The lights glow softly. Music is still playing somewhere deeper in the ship. People continue their conversations. Some even joke about the ice. But now you notice more details. Crew members whispering, doors being closed, subtle orders being given. There is a system in motion behind the scenes, and you are not part of it. You feel it building. That quiet tension turning into something heavier. Then you hear it clearly. Everyone must wear a life jacket. The words spread slowly at first, then faster. Still no screaming. Still no panic. But the tone has changed. You return to your cabin and grab the life jacket. Your hands feel colder now, even inside the ship. You put it on, tightening it more than necessary, as if that alone could guarantee your safety. When you step back into the corridor, the energy has shifted. People are moving with purpose now. No more laughter. No more jokes. Just uncertainty. You feel the floor again. And now you're sure. It's not level. It's subtle, but it's there. A tilt. You freeze for a moment. This is real. You make your way back to the deck. This time, everything is different. Lifeboats are being uncovered. Crew members are shouting instructions. People are gathering faster. Some are already crying. Others are still asking questions no one is answering. You scan the area. How many lifeboats are there? You count quickly. It doesn't make sense. There are too many people, far too many cash. The realization hits you hard. Not everyone is getting out of this. The cold intensifies. Your breath becomes visible. The wind feels stronger now, cutting through everything. You move toward a lifeboat, but you're stopped. Women and children first. The rule is enforced without hesitation. You watch as families are separated. A man tries to follow his wife and child, but is pushed back. He doesn't fight. He just stands there, frozen, watching them disappear. You feel something inside you tighten. Fear is no longer distant. It's here. It's real. Bounty is an immersion incinerating. It's real. The ship tilts further. Now it's obvious. Walking requires effort. People begin to lose balance. The sounds around you grow louder. Metal groaning, wood creaking, voices rising. The controlled environment is collapsing. You try to move closer again, but the crowd pushes you back. Panic is spreading. Some people try to force their way in. Others stand still, unable to move. You feel your heart racing. Your thoughts speeding up. You need a plan, but there is no plan. There is only time, and it's running out. Lifeboats begin to lower into the darkness. One by one, too slowly. Always too slowly. You watch them disappear into the black ocean below. Each one takes away another chance. Another group of people saved and another group left behind. You push forward again, this time harder, more desperate. But it doesn't matter. You're not getting in. The angle of the ship increases. Now it's dangerous tame, out to dangerous. People slide. Some fall. Others grab onto anything they can. The ocean is rising. Or maybe you are falling toward it. The distinction doesn't matter anymore. The sound of the ship changes. It's no longer a structure holding together. It's something breaking apart. You hear it before you see it. A deep, violent crack. The Titanic is failing. Completely. You realize there is no more waiting. No more hoping. This is the end. You look around one last time. Faces filled with fear. Eyes wide. Some people praying. Others screaming. Some already gone. You run, not toward a boat, not toward safety, just away from where you are. Instinct takes over. Survival, even without direction. The tilt becomes extreme. You struggle to stay upright. Your legs shake. Your hands grasp at anything solid. The cold is unbearable now. Your entire body is tense. Then it happens. The sound that ends everything. A massive, deafening fracture. The ship breaks. The world shifts instantly. The ground disappears beneath you. You fall. The impact with the water is violent, brutal, immediate. It feels like your entire body is being stabbed by ice. Your lungs lock. You try to inhale, but your body refuses. Panic explodes inside you. You force yourself to breathe. It burns. Every breath burns. You try to swim, but your muscles are already failing. The cold is too much, too fast. Around you, chaos. Screams. Dozens. Hundreds. People fighting, struggling, disappearing. You try to stay above water. Your arms move, but slower. Your legs barely respond. You grab onto something floating nearby. A piece of wood. It barely supports you, but it's enough. Shall no definu textio para a narracu. Everything hurts, but you force yourself to focus. There are lights far away, small, moving, lifeboats. For the first time since the fall, something inside you reacts. Hope, weak, fragile, but real. You try to move, try to push yourself toward the direction of the sound, but your body refuses. It doesn't respond the way it should. You are no longer in control. You try to shout, your voice barely comes out. A weak, broken sound that disappears into the night. You try again. Nothing. The cold has taken your strength, your voice, your ability to fight scene. The lights continue moving. Some get closer. Others drift away. You watch them, unable to do anything. Time stretches again. Seconds feel like minutes. Minutes feel like hours. You don't know how long you've been there. You don't know how long you can last. You focus on breathing. Slow, shallow. Each breath feels like effort. You close your eyes for a moment, just a moment. But when you open them again, the lights are closer, much closer. You hear voices now, clearer. People calling out, searching. A lifeboat approaches. You try to lift your arm. It moves, but slowly, weakly. Someone sees you. You hear it. A voice shouting. Hands reach toward you. You feel them grabbing your arms, pulling you up. Your body resists at first, heavy, unresponsive. But they don't stop. They pull harder, and then you are out of the water. The cold air hits you again, but it's different now. You are not submerged. You collapse into the boat. You can't move. You can't speak, but you are alive. Barely. The people around you are silent. Some are crying. Others stare into the darkness where the Titanic once was. No one celebrates. No one speaks of survival because everyone knows what was lost. You lie there, shaking, your body trying to recover, but your mind is still there, still in the water, still in that moment. You close your eyes again, not from exhaustion, but from something deeper, something that will never leave you. You survived, but part of you is still out there. In the cold, in the dark, on that night that no one was prepared to face,